Okay, Captain's Log, May 2023. Okay, so I am in the sunflower arbor. This is the arbor that we used to grow, or we built for grapes. And I just didn't have any luck with grapes. So what we did was tall sunflowers in the middle, a shorter variety on each side. Now that looks like that's about the same, but I can tell this is a different one just by looking at it. See how it's just gonna be a darker flower. And this one, whoa, this one doesn't have those characteristics. And then this is an even shorter one here. We've got the blackberries here. We've got the ground cherries here. I didn't plant those come up on their own every year. And then we have the pattern, the zigzag pattern, going all the way down. This is chamomile. I saw some in bloom. I grew these. Okay, let me tell you what happened. So I put some seeds out. I have a marker there and a marker there. And the seeds didn't grow. They just did not grow. I don't know if I just didn't water them enough or what. Here's one. And I think I saw one more somewhere else that grew. And that was not good enough. I wanted a bunch of chamomile to harvest for myself. And I'm hoping that these will self-seed. These are the annual. This is the German chamomile. So I'm hoping that they will really do well and self-seed in the same spot every year. That would be fine with me. Some of the sunflowers did not make it in between. I'm trying to decide, am I gonna poke something in there? We'll see, we'll see. It's kind of like sculpting or painting with plants. All right, I'm gonna venture in. But I do have these black-eyed Susans, and so my mom was helping me plant some seeds, and I think she covered it with soil, and then I covered it with soil. So I'm gonna fill in with that spot. Again, that kind of stuff happens. All right, let me step out. I have some garlic here from last year. We've got plantain I've been pulling out and harvesting a little bit at a time. These are the tall variety. I can tell because it's in the middle. And then this is a shorter variety. So this is the smallest, this package of seeds is so funny. The smallest variety, or the shortest variety of sunflowers. And it is very short. And then again, there's the chamomile. So chamomile all along the front, and sunflowers, and technically I want to say everything in here is edible. We've got cucamelons growing in the back side too. Or the Mexican sour gherkins, also known as mouse melons. Oh, and then we have the blackberries that I'm going to be training to grow that way. So one plant on each end. So we have plantain. Technically, actually, this is not something that I want here. This is edible. I'll be pulling that out or clipping it out. Let's see. Oregano. Oh, I don't know about that prickly poppy. No matter what you do, if you put down cardboard, if you put down plastic, whatever you put, whatever you do to guarantee you have no weeds, you're still going to get weeds because seeds blow in from that direction or that direction or that direction, or birds fly over and poop it out right in your garden, and they can still take hold in the bed. So yeah, I don't know how those got there other than that explanation. I did not put them there. I have a little bit more weeding to do now. This is a new kind of soaker hose. I'm really liking this one better than the ones I've used in the past. But I really like this one because it's got that extra layer. This henbit, it's one of the first flowers of the year the bees will eat on. I'm not sure what this is. If somebody knows what that is, let me know. I don't know what that is. And then this is some wild lettuce, which I have plenty in another spot, so I'm okay. Grass is my worst weed ever. Anytime I see grass, it's gotta go. But I'm seeing some cucamelons here. I want to make sure that those don't get pulled out. I don't like for anybody else to do my weeding because it's taken me a while to figure out what's what. But yeah, these are the cucamelons, and they will grab a hold. This is one of the old grape plants that died. It's dead. And you know what? It was really hard to get out, and I just left it there. So, but these cucamelons will grab a hold. There's some there. There's some there. They just self-seed. I don't ever plant these. I've never planted these. There's some more. There are some. That's some grass. Don't want that. Don't want that. But I gotta be careful because there's another cucamelon plant right there. Yeah, I'll have to come back over here. There's another cucamelon right there. There's another one there. So yeah, I'm very happy that the cucamelons came back right here. This is a spot where I'm going to be planting I'm going to be filling in where these sunflowers didn't make it with the another thing that's in the aster family. That is the black-eyed Susans. I might even do something else, maybe on this side. That is the driveway, so what people will see is that short row or short kind of wave of chamomile, and then they'll see the sunflowers, some sunflowers, but then I may do kind of I don't know, I may even plant some tomatoes on here. I have planted tomatoes in the past. That's gonna do it for this one. All right, until next time, bye for now.